Hello, in front of me I have Google Pixel 8 with Android 17, and in this video I'm going to show you the features that you can try after updating your phone to the latest Android. Okay, I think that we can begin with app bubbles. This is a pretty cool multitasking feature. It simply allows us to turn any app to a floating bubble window, and thanks to that we'll be able to easily multitask. It's pretty useful, for example, for messaging, for notes, the calculators, and the Gemini, for example. Okay, to turn up into the bubble, we can do it from the level of the home screen or from the app list. Let's select, for example, 3 apps. So let's begin with YouTube maybe. Hold the icon, and then here we have the bubble. We just gotta tap on that. As you take a look, it has opened in the floating window. The app is fully responsive. Everything works. And now let's pick the second app. Let's do it from the level of the recent apps maybe. From the app list, let's add notes and maybe Google Maps. Okay, so now as you take a look, we have 3 apps opened in the same time, and we can easily switch between them just like that. Pretty useful thing. It works really, really smooth. If you click the plus button, you'll be able to see the recent bubbles. And thanks to that, we can quickly switch between the apps, and it's pretty useful for multitasking, just like I was talking about before. If you tap on the same app that is currently opened, every bubble will be minimalized and will be stick to the edge. Of course, we can change the position of the bubble anywhere that we want, but it needs to be sticked to the edge. If you want to close it up, simply hold, go to the X area, and then release. Okay, next thing, maybe the improved screen recorder. To add it, open up your quick bar and then click the edit button. That's our screen recorder, this icon. If it's not in here, keep scrolling down until you find the display, and in here you just gotta add the screen recorder. Okay, now if you launch it up, we can record the single app, but first we gotta open it. We can also record the device audio and record our microphone at the same time, and also we can record the entire screen also with the device audio and the microphone. But we can also enable now to show the touches and also enable the selfie camera. So for example, it's cool for reaction videos. Let me show you how it works. I'll record device audio, microphone, and I'll show the selfie camera. We just gotta click on start. We have the countdown. Now let's launch the YouTube maybe, just to show that everything works. I'll play a video from our channel. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, first we gotta add. But when I was talking about the selfie camera, it's right in here in the middle. Now I'll wave my hand and you can see it clearly that the selfie camera is recording. So just like I was talking about, it's cool for reaction videos.
Any two must tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 20th of November, enter this plus icon. First step, we can add title of our event. In this part, we can add the emoji to our title and change color.
So that's how this feature works. Now we can save the recording, and I'll show you that everything has been successfully recorded.
Just to show that everything works, let's cover
including the audio device, the microphone, I mean my voice, and also the selfie camera.
I'll play a video from our channel. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, first we gotta when I was talking about the selfie camera, it's right here in the middle. Now I'll wave my hand and you can see it clearly that the selfie camera is recording. So just like I was talking about, it's cool for for reaction videos.
Okay, so that's the thing. Everything has been successfully recorded. It worked. What else we can do? For example, now, as you open up the Quick Tools, the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are separate tiles. Again, because since Android 12, they were combined into the internet tile. But now, as you take a look, the mobile data and the Wi-Fi are now separate buttons, and it's simply easier and more comfortable to toggle or toggle off each internet service. So it's simply a new not the feature, but there are separate tiles now, and in my personal opinion, it's much more comfortable. Okay, now we can now also hide the app names. To do it, we just gotta hold on an empty space on our home screen, go into Wallpaper and Style, scroll down a little bit, go to Icons, and go to Names, and we can turn off to show the app names. Then just click the Apply button, and now we have a clean home screen without the app names. So, for example, for some people, it might look better without the app names. Okay, now we also have the enhanced security features. Go to Settings, then scroll down, go to Security and Privacy, keep scrolling down, and we have the Advanced Protection. You can enable it right in here, the device protection, and down below you can read what each feature provides. We have the device safety, the app safety, the networks, and many more. You can read about everything on the screen. I'll expand each column so you'll be able to see what security features we have. Web, phone by Google, the messages, and you can turn it on right in here. Also, the feature called Mark as Lost has been changed. We have better functionality. Let me show you. If you go to your Find Hub, then you select your pixel. You might have to click on Settings and then open it up, for example, through the web. We have our pixel. If you select it and then click on Mark as Lost, then click on Next. You could read about it right now on the screen. Device will be locked and will require two-step verification, including fingerprint or facial recognition, to be unlocked. That's the new thing. I can mark my phone as lost just to show you. As you can see, the screen has been turned off automatically. And now to unlock it, we have the two-step verification. We gotta draw the pattern and also confirm with our fingerprint. And that's the only way to unlock our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.